Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I'm going to be doing this little mixed media piece. I already made my octopus. Isn't he cool? Look at him. So I'm going to show you how I did that. I did it with mica powder. So what you do is, I'm going to show you because I did tape when I made him. You just brush on the different color mica powders. For this one I used a little of the Unicorn Art Peacock Green. I used Violets Are Blue by Unicorn Art. I also used some Bling It Gold. I believe I actually also used a couple different resin art pigments. I believe I used some Purple Galaxy too in there. So that's how I made this guy. But I was thinking, I like making little resin molds, but it's like, what do you do with them? Some people like to just have them, but this is a cool, I got this on Amazon. But I'm going to show you how I did that before we get started. But I decided I'm going to put him in resin. In the background, I'm going to make like a kind of like an ocean scene. I think that would be kind of cool. And then I'm going to put him on and he's going to stick in the resin. I'll probably do a flood coat after that. But I just thought it would be something fun to do. So this is a 10 by 10 inch cradled wood board. I taped off my sides to keep them natural. You can see I actually did something on here earlier a while ago. These were alcohol inks. I didn't like it, so I just wiped it off. But the alcohol inks will sometimes stain, depending on which kind you use, will stain that. But this is an alcohol ink video, so this is a resin video. So I just thought it would be cool to do like an oceany, like maybe like a dark oceany scene. Not exactly sure yet. And then put him in there. I think it'd be cute. All right, guys, so let's get started. So first I'm going to mix up some resin. I'm using KS resin today. I usually have a coupon code down in my description box for save you 5% off on KS Resin site. Also for all the resin art pigments, I have a coupon code for color art, the Bling It pigments, which are, this one is beautiful. This is called Midas. It's just a gorgeous gold. 20% off colorart.com. You can save yourself 20% off the entire website. Prism Pours, primary elements, the resin art pigments. So have at it. All right, guys, I hope you're all doing well out there. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And if you have a question, leave me a comment and I get back to you as soon as I can. All right, guys, here we go.
Yesterday